Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed on the topic LeetCode queue. So today we'll be going with a simple queue, right? So what does the definition part say here? A simple queue is a non-thread safe, straightforward FIFO queue, right? Using collections like DQ, right? Unlike queue.queue, a simple queue does not lock resources. Again, unlike queue.queue, this is for the queue, this one, right? Unlike queue.queue, a simple queue does not lock resources and is ideal for single threaded applications, right? So what it is ideal for, basically it is ideal for the single threaded applications, right? So I hope you remember these points, right? So now let me close this one. Yeah, let's try to understand the same thing with a very simple example, right? So I'll just go with from queue uh, import. Let me go with queue. This is fine. Simple queue, sq. I'll just consider sq here. So this one, let's give queue the function. So I'll just go with the put operation here, right? So let me go with put. Let's insert something within the strings. I'll just give x here. This is fine. Let me copy the same thing, paste it over here. Sorry. Yep. Let me change this one from x to y, right? So now let's print something for the interactiveness. So I'll just go with remove similar to the previous one. I'll just go with a simple q dot get operation, right? So why this is not showing an, oh yeah, I haven't given comma, right? So yeah, sq dot, I'll just go with get operation that simple q provides, right? So let me copy the same thing again. Let me paste the same thing over here, right? So here, previously in the LeetCode queue, it followed stack implementation, right? So first it was removing the last element and then the second last element and so on, right? So now this follows the straightforward FIFO technique, right? So see here, a simple queue is non-thread safe, straightforward FIFO queue using collections like DQ, right? So now what we need to get, the output that we need to get here is, so this one, removed X first, removed Y, because we are going with a remove, right? So I'll just go with a removed here. So we will get removed X first and then we will get removed Y because we are making use of the get operation. Nothing but we are getting the value, right? So here, yep, we have to get the output removed X and removed Y. Let's check the same here. Let me go with Python here, right click. Sorry, again, did I delete? So why am I doing this one, man? This is fine. Mm, so let me do one thing. Yeah, let me right click this one, rename. This is fine. Paste dot py. So here see, removed X, removed Y. This works absolutely correct. Perfect, right? So now we are done with the simple queue concept, right? So now let me summarize whatever we have learned so far. Simple queues, just keep this one sentence in the mind. Simple queues are basic FIFO data structures with thread safety. Again, simple queues are basic FIFO data structures with a thread safety, right? So we are done with the simple queue part. Next, we'll be discussing on the stack, right? For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.